Stop no super. Yeah, me I go backstairs. Yeah, man, I do that. But you can't tell me for walk like my people them like this.
Welcome guys, so we are going to talk about Beenie Man get fling off of the stage and arrested by the police. Also we are going to talk about Choppa, Bronx, that are the artists who them say get gunned down by police on the toll road. We also are going to talk about 1Biggs and the sensational interview. So subscribe and like. Anyways guys, so we just want talk about the matter quick and fast. The artist known by Choppa Banks, you know, passed away, yo, and we owe everything. A lot of people might say, oh this, and you know, they must say upcoming, but to me this artist should have bust long time. I don't know what they mind there, but people go through things, guys. I just want to know, say, this a brother almost lose him eye one time on him peak. Yes, I've been observe the artist, guys. So if anybody for say, me I go say, even though I don't know him personally, but this youth have talent. He did have talent. Yes, but I'm sorry for know what really happened. They must say he would have rolled with Wanted, man. I mean, who knows. Yes, me. But I'm sorry for hear go and said we R.I.P. We don't know where them involved in. We not swear for nobody, guys. Yes, me. But it's sad. Another lost soul, you know.
Stop no super. Yeah, me I go backstairs. Yeah, man, I do that. But you can't tell me for walk like my people them like this. Yeah, me I go do that though. But you can't tell me that. You got arrest me. Alright, boss. No disrespect, super.
Where's my people? So Beenie Man was you know, addressed on the stage while a performance, but him could have just, you know, just exit the stage. I mean, me listen what the people they must say, guys, and this is what the people they must say. Him hype too much more while him for know when for relax. What you think? Yeah, so 1Biggs done. That are the youth where I say watch it flick, you know me wrist. I don't know what the song is saying, people, but it at a road, and point is the dog rate intense, and this is what him have to say.
Who is the first person you really want to meet in the music business?
Intense. Yeah, you see, in the business, what I want to say about the dog, you see him, oh God, man, I'm glad that intense. I hope you see this too and know. The dog ever clean. The dog style different, and he born one day after me. He might older than me, but he born one day after me, and him me and him I same thing. I don't know what people say. I'm in a business about what they want to say, because the man don't know me from Adams. The man never do me nothing yet. Me never do the man nothing yet. So why me I got here? You see, intense and him more than what I mean.
Has Jamaica seen anybody like you?
No, but then I get no Biggs yet, man. Biggs are different to you, man. Have to make you laugh too.
You're not pulling a bad man sort of.
No, for what? We're not. Oh God, Uncle Anthony, man. We're not get trouble, man. We are good youth, you know. Just why everybody happy and proud that the work when me have to give them. Daddy sit down and say, Bridget, you're not alright. You're not alright, Bridget. You're good, man. You're not alright. I feel we look at Bridget too, you know. Even them out with food. But he must say, Bridget, you're not alright. You're not alright. And I say, Daddy, you're good, Daddy. I used to show him some song I'm writing on my phone, you know. I must say, Bridget, right now, man. I said, Daddy, they right already, man. I told me in a gas studio. You know? So we have them locked, funky, and we have them in a head back, because we are not idiot. And we have style, so we can build it on spot sometimes.
Spotlight on Biggs from Mandeville.
We are going for my surface ticket. They are free for ton chef, I don't know. We have to have pretty big same, you know.
So in your spare time, what you do?
I chill with my friends. I sit down and try to write songs. Talk to my girl then, you know. And I'm a married man now, so I have to be able to try to talk to the girl then. You know, young people stuff. No, man.
Who you like to listen to, or what kind of music you vibe to?
Honestly, I don't have no problem with no artist at all. Like, no artist. I may have this one artist, my elder. I have to want to do a song with him. His name Highway. Live Seeds I saw. Yeah, you see him. He's my general to me. Dancehall music, me depending on happy lyrics, vibes lyrics, energy, you know? Right here, watch you style big split fully chip. You know, you're out of the box right there, so now you say, boy, you bungs with sitting where I say will make sense, you know? And the vibes song where we mash up our party. everybody a jump.
People jumping to a Biggs freestyle. The 18-year-old ducking pressure from friends to put his music out there, but finally deciding to take the plunge.
Me, because I say I'm too fat to go up on camera, man, so I hide from them. But one day, I gaze, I was going to a party, so I go buy one pants. No, I lie, I go take in one pants, I buy pants already, and I go take it up. And I go to one party the night, and I gaze on the road, and they buck me in the chair, them buck me and grab me and say, boy, come do it. And I say, Jaja, and I have to do it. Anyway, then give me a rhythm and a vibe, I'm sing same what style. Mix it with about 3 different songs.
One style big split, fully chip, and we rich.
And me just feel like I still want normal freestyle still, you know. I don't feel the power of the world I feel. Because my song, I write that from 2020. You can show you on my phone right now. From 2020. November 11, 2020. You know? So, you just a sing. But Guava, Prince Guava, I don't know if you know him. I'm supposed to familiar with him. Prince Guava, he had me one side of the day. And like him did feel the energy. And I said, bro, you're boss, you know? I said, dog, I want normal freestyle, bro, man. We see still. And the video drop, you were lovey. Anthony Miller come check me. As a juvenile from George's Valley, man. As a 18-year-old, the song didn't drop yet, Anthony, a greatness.
Company tool with the crown and the markets. 5 grand never get on them chocolate.
A couple days after, when I'm a brethren, he sent me the video on TikTok in the morning where they 129K. But a body my bad name say, boy, you know, say a talent to that area and put the talent on me. I say, yeah, bro, that is it. Still not taking away, you know. But 1, 2 or 3 days or 4. I don't want to tell no lie, but a couple days after I see the million. I say, no, man, million and look up picking the number. You know, million, bro. No, look at you. Mezzo, you see right, I said, now. Million. You need to go vice a song, you know. And then great steel chest now, sit down and reason with me, and marksman them. I'm bridging them, I tell them, say, dog, do it over, bro.
And that's what he's done to avoid any legal issues over ownership of the beat and to get out the track ASAP.
Hear music now, a lot of people might try to steal the work and then look away there. You see me, make sure say, you know, really, I put out, like, make people hear your tune them before they in Japan and look away there, you me? Because your music where people want to hear right now. So people will try to copy your style and copy your thing. So just keep your thing on a level way. You know where you are, you hear me?
You knew Marksman before you went viral?
Not personally, but I knew of him and he was a friend of my friend, so we were hearing of him. Here say a good youth, a dog man, no man.
So you met him more?
Verified Choppa video shoot personally we met. I didn't text before that, but we met personally, verified Choppa video shoot. Just believe in our new generation, man. Remember good no man.
Man, I make him money fast, chop no funds. Fat bim bim park up a gate front.
Then 17-year-old Biggs coming up with Watch His Style while hanging out with a friend.
I'm a fire some boy I fi, yeah, gal I fi. Watch his style, big split, fully chipping on my rich.
The time I just start hide and bun weed. You know, mommy them no know, daddy them no know. But me that they house, I hide and bun weed. So in the middle of the night, them asleep and my room connect to the back veranda, you know. And I have one bridging in Jerome. The first song I ever voice in my life is Money Dream. And Jerome say he want to remix the song there. I said no, bro. And the same rhythm, you know. I said no, bro. So I give you one different line, man. So I just write.